What's up, YouTube? I'm finna scare my uncle here in the store right now. He just don't know what he finna run into. I'm finna go and set my camera up real quick. He in the store right now. Damn, I'm gonna get him back there. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna sneak him back there, man. I gotta sneak him on the back road or something, man. He shouldn't have gotten the car with me, man. He didn't want to get in anyway, so he finna have to deal with this shit. He just gonna have to be mad at me. I'm gonna see this ass back. Oh, mom, she looked at my ass.
Yeah, worry about those white t-shirt there.
Why you say that?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the model team. I need to do a white t-shirt.
I gotta go drop this money off. Alright.
What the fuck that is? She got some hips on her.
She got some big shoes on.
Look at them hips. Look at that ass. Really? I'll give her that $40 right ahead now. For real, I found her ass up, buddy. They had nothing about down there a month neither. Shit.
A month?
Yeah, I really gave me about a fucking month.
I ain't had man.
It's been too busy.
That's where I work at.
Do you? Right there?
Uh-huh.
What you do?
They work on metal and stuff, like, see the stuff outside right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, they work on that type of
How you get right there?
I went through a staffing company.
I work for nothing, man. They ain't got shit to show for. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
It's the shit I was doing. Working for nothing. Getting the money to the dope, man. Fuck all that shit. Now I can see clearly now, you know what I'm
Yeah.
Fuck all that shit. God damn! You scared the fuck out of my head. Hey, don't look at that motherfucker. Make no video of me, motherfucker. See my damn eyes. Damn! I should know your ass was up to something. You gotta make a video, call me all go.
I don't know why you even got in the car, man. I don't know why you got in the car.
Fuck you, man. Got my head in, buddy. So that stuff is garbage. I said, wait till you see that video. Boy, I never had that thing. God damn, boy, you scared the fuck out of me then. You still videoing?
Yup.
Oh, hell no. Hell no, I don't want to go there, motherfucker be laughing like hell at me when they see this shit. They gonna say, what's wrong with that motherfucker?
What does it mean? What's wrong with it? You gonna look back and laugh at it.
Hell yeah! Motherfucker, fuck him! That's my nephew, y'all, fuck him. That nigga ain't shit.
It'll be a good video, man.
Hell yeah, boy, you got me there, boy. You should see, you gonna wait till you see that shit, you gonna see my eyes. I had to look up, what the fuck?
Yeah.
A while ago, I didn't see that shit.
You didn't see it until now?
Yeah, I just have to look up. Nigga filming this shit today, you gotta go draw. I got that motherfucker there. I got his ass there. I'll drink that.
Yeah, man.
I'll drink to that, buddy.